Let's imagine that you're in a lecture one day and your lecturer has some important information on a PowerPoint slide, and you think, I'd love to use this in my assignment. How would you reference this? For in-text citation, you would just do what you normally do. Include the author's name and the year of publication. For example, if your teacher is Julie Page, you could say, Page 2023 asserts that. For your reference list, you need to include your lecturer's name. In this case, it would be Page and their first initial J. The slide was created in 2023, so let's put that year in brackets. After that, we need the title of the course material, which is Calculating Inflation, and we'll put this in quotation marks. Next comes the type of material and the course code, and we need to put this information in square brackets. For this, I'll write lecture slide and the course code, which is MGMT2134. Now I'll put RMIT for the name of the university and Melbourne for the location it was created.